Welcome. In this video, we are going to take a look at problem 12. It is from Chapter 1 of College Physics 2E by OpenStax. In this problem, it says a good quality measuring tape can be off by 0.50 centimeters over a distance of 20 meters. What is its percent uncertainty? So let's write down what we know. We know the uncertainty, written like this, is the 0.50 centimeters. And then the length is 20 meters, okay? And so percent uncertainty is the uncertainty, which looks like a script D and then L, divided by the L times 100%. Okay, so we have an uncertainty of 0.50 centimeters, and we have a length of 20 meters. Okay, we need to convert the units. And so 1 meter is 100 centimeters. And now we have meters canceling, centimeters canceling. And then we have times 100%. I did this calculation and I got 0.025%. Note we can also write this as 2.5 times 10 to the minus 2%. And that is what we needed to find. That's the percent uncertainty in the measuring tape. I hope that was helpful. Let me know in the comments section if you have any questions. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.